clear just yesterday. Now clouds roll in and take the day, like memories that never fade. You walked away, I watched you break. The pavement shines beneath my feet. With every drop I hear defeat. And though your voice is long gone now, it echoes in the falling sound. April rain washing over me takes me back to what we used to be. Every storm, every tear we've cried falls again in the silence of the night. You're gone, but the rain remains. Every April brings your name. I see your coat still by the door, the one you wore in '94. And though the colors fade with time, the weight still lingers in my mind. I swear I hear your laugh sometimes, in thunder rolling through the pines. This month was ours, but now it's gray, like all the words we didn't say. April rain, falling soft and slow, dripping secrets only we would know. I reach for you through window panes, but love just slips between the stains. You're gone, but the rain remains. Every April brings your name. No shelter, no goodbye, just clouds and reasons why. But I still feel you close in the water's ghost. April rain, you're in every drop, a love that time just couldn't stop. Through broken skies and shadowed light, I still dream of holding you tonight. You're gone, but the rain remains. Every April brings your name.